in the kit. So do you like this project with this secret box, this secret storage box, this unit? Do you like this, and do you like to make exactly the same with all the materials, all the bronze items that I used? Then stay tuned and I am going to tell you exactly what's in this kit. Alright, so first of all, of course, what's in the kit? Of course, there is all the chipboard you need, and it's quite a lot because yeah, to make this big box you're gonna need, of course, a lot of chipboard. So all the chipboard that is needed, 9 pieces, are in this kit. So all the chipboard, so you have, as you already can see, it's a nice thick already. So this kit is gonna be heavy duty in your box. There also is, of course, the paper pack. Of course, the paper pack is in here. So all the papers that I used are in here, with my own papers. Yeah, my very first homemade, together with my daughter, designed our own paper pack. I still can't believe it. But yep, it is. So yeah, do you like to have the first edition of Scrap Queen Designs paper pack? Then this is it, guys. This is the moment that you can get your own first edition Scrap Queen Design paper pack. So every little sheet that I used is in here. So as you can see, so many to use. Nice thick paper, a little bit shiny, and the quality is super duper, so perfect to use for this box. All the cut out elements are in here also to use, and so that is all that you can get, of course, in this kit. So 1 pack of my own paper. I can't believe that I'm gonna keep this. Sounds so strange, but yeah, my own paper. This is my own paper. So cool. Of course, there are some ribbons. I did not use that many ribbons in this project, but what I use is in the paper pack, in the kit too. Of course, what I use, there's plenty to use. I even used much less than there is in your kit. And then of course all the bronze medals. I do not want to put it just in an empty pack, but I wanted to make this a little extra. But everything, and it's heavy, everything that I used is in here. All the charms in here, all the handles, the closures, you name it, all the brads, the eyelets, the open wings for your charms to put at, the everything is inside. As you can see, it's a big bag with all the bronze elements, all the hinges, everything is inside here, guys. So put it in a little container when you're going to start with this project, and you will find it in here. Alright, so that is also, it does not seem that much that I add in this kit, but believe me, with the chipboard and with all the bronze in it, I think it's plenty. And so it's just all that I use to make this project. Then of course there is a little printable sheet with all the measurements that I used. I hope I did not forget any measurements, but if I do forget any measurements, to write it down, then it will be shown in the video. So just, my videos are tutorial follow alongs. They're free to watch for everybody, so you don't need this sheet. Perhaps it's easier that I will put all these measurements below each video, so if you are not capable to see it through the video, then perhaps I'm gonna, but anyway, yeah, you can see in the video which sizes I used. Alright, so anyway, but perhaps if I not forget, I will put all the measurements below the video, but if I forget, please forgive me. Alright, so that is in the kit. So if you like to make this project exactly the same as I did, with the album inside, with the 2 drawers, with the 2 secret compartments in it, well, 1 secret, the top one is not secret. Do you like this? Do you like my very own papers? Do you like this? It's kind of a manly for a man project, but yeah, I do love Sherlock Holmes too. So I do love these color combinations. I do love all the papers. So it's not particularly made for a man, but yeah, I thought some of you would like to see me do a project without flowers, without pink, without women's stuff. And so that is what me and my daughter think we did a good job on making a manly themed collection. So I hope you liked it too. So step on to my Etsy shop. It's now available in my Etsy shop. Limited edition, guys. I do not know how many you're gonna like it, but for now I hope I have enough for you guys. Alright, so I hope you like this project. I hope you're gonna make it. So have fun with it. Bye bye, till next time. How to get the link to my Etsy shop, of course, under every single video that I upload. In the description box I always added all the links that you need, that you perhaps like to search. That is for my Etsy shop, my Facebook pages, my email, so you can always contact me if you can't figure it out how it works on Etsy, but Etsy is pretty easy to work international, so please check out the links below each video. Alright, thank you so much. Give me a big thumbs up, by the way. Give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you don't already are. And I'm so happy to read all your nice comments. And I will see you next time for my next project. Bye bye.